India, home to more than 1.2 billion people. With great assets and natural resources and an ambitious entrepreneurial spirit, India is changing fast. It's a country with huge potential, but there are many social challenges, especially in rural areas. At IKEA, we have a long history of working with Indian suppliers. Now, we're doing business with a new kind of entrepreneur. We're working with small-scale producers, companies run largely by women in villages across the country. Because when women earn a sustainable income, they can break the cycle of poverty. That's why we're working with these groups of committed social entrepreneurs, connecting them to valuable business resources, helping them to expand their skills and develop their handmade crafts for the global market. The products they make are special because they can only make a small number of items. Not all IKEA stores can stock them. But every one sold brings income to rural families and wide-reaching change to their communities, all in line with our vision of a better everyday life for the many people.